Hello, good morning, everyone. Welcome to McBoss Capital live stream here. My name is Michael Chu. Today is Thursday, April 9, 2026, 8:45 a.m. Mountain Time, 15 minutes to 11 a.m. Eastern Time. At this moment, the market is slightly down zero point 0.3 on Nasdaq, zero point 0.3 on Dow, zero point 0.3, almost zero point 0.3 on S&P. Volume are much lower on both days. We did have a follow-through day yesterday on the NYSE, and so we had higher volume for NYC, but not Nasdaq. But it still counts. So at this moment, we're just hoping the market can follow through on this follow through. Um, and right now, today we're giving back a little bit, not too bad. Oil stocks rebound today. I think that was some, potential issue with the Strait of Hormuz is not completely open yet. So everyone's just, waiting to see what's happening there. I see that core wave is up this morning. You can take a quick look here. Let's see here. So they're up on what's the news here? Didn't say anything here. Um, so here's core wave. It actually came back down already. That's interesting. So so yeah, this is not a good behavior. Um, yeah, if we close here, that's not good behavior. But if we can come down and bounce back, that will be really good. Then we have test the lows here, and the red line, which is the 50 day. So we'll see if that happens. But right now, a lot of stocks have give back. Um, go down here. Just want to see what other news there is. Um, yeah, some of the tech stock like Marvel is moving up pretty strong right now. Um, so so that is definitely look a little bit extended at this moment. Um, yeah, it's quite extended right now. So that's that one. STX, the memory chip, memory guys here, or data storage guys here are holding pretty tight. So that's also a little bit extended, but it's holding pretty tight right now. Um, the software group yesterday had a bad day despite the market was up. Like IGV was it reversed pretty hard, and today it just went down even further. It might be going for a new low here. That's pretty bad. 76.53, 76.26. So pretty close to a new low. This is really bad. So the software group, a lot of them are just getting hits. This Zscaler WD, and then we have Chevron higher. Uh, Inflation data is, I think it is expected. He says here both were harder than expected. Mm, okay. And then jobless claim is also a little bit more. So yeah, it's just really, today looks like a digestion day, which is not necessarily a bad thing, but you just hope stocks not giving back too much. Let's go to the index here quickly. So yesterday was QQQ was higher volume, but not on Nasdaq. So QQQ was higher volume here. So this consider follow through day. And today, like I said, we're giving back. We're still above the red line, so that's not bad, right? Like we're only giving back 0.3%. Let's go to Nasdaq for a second. So the Nasdaq volume is slightly lower than the day before. So that's the only difference there. S&P yesterday, this one was higher volume. Again, giving back just 0.19%. After such a big gain yesterday, that's actually remarkable, right? So that's a good thing. Let's look at Dow here. Also, like higher volume yesterday. This one is still below the red line. You know, um, and then we have Russell. Russell gap up pretty high above the red line. So that one is the strongest right now, and it's also giving back only 0.26%. So very strong index, you know, chart here, and it's definitely has risen a lot. So it would might take some time to digest. Even the next few days, it just stay above the main key moving average, and just even if it slide down a little bit, that's not a bad thing. That's just, digesting. On stocks on the move, because volume is much lower. So let's see here. It's not seeing too many stocks still up on volume right now. So that's the only problem today. Um, yeah, so there's not quite 20 stocks here. Uh, at the lowest, we have 16% higher volume. But we have Marvel here, IESC, Lumentum. Right, you can take a look at Lumentum. This has been a leader um, in the fiber optics area. And this one make new high and reverse, right? Um, I mean, this has been a huge mover, and it accelerated pretty sharply here too. So it's definitely extended at this moment. And then you can go look at CN, look at the whole group here. Same thing, making new high, pulling back slightly. VF also same thing. All three are doing pretty well. Um, you know, there's really not much of a buy signal right now because they're extended. But yeah, that's the only problem right now. If you want to get in, you buy at pretty high risk. STNG in the oil and gas area, GE, Coherent, GLW. So some of the same old names are still leading, like Corning here, making new high. This is a very nice chart. Um, Breaking out here on this trend line there. And then we have Cohere. So also breaking out from a trend line right there. So again, some of this may look a little bit extended from the 10-day moving average. So that therefore it's pulling back slightly, right? So the key is if they pull back, you know, wait until the pullback's over and then bounce, and then that could be an entry point there, right? So we just, instead of buying extended, it's just too much risk. FN doing well, BWXT, Tower Semiconductor, TSEM. This one is still leading the charge here, looking pretty good. New highs this morning. Very strong stock, very strong. ESE, KC, AMD, Cyrus, E. Let's look at AMD here. Well, this one is starting to move. It has a low entry point down here. Um, yeah, it's really strong. The 10 days where slope is pretty strong as well. And it's on the right side of the base. Volume is okay. It's not as strong as I like to see. Even today it's down 31%. Um, let's take a look at Nvidia as well. It's just at the red lines again. This one continued to have trouble coming back above it. It's just having a hard time. That is a big problem. Let's go to my list here from this morning. We'll just go through quickly what we see that we haven't talked about. AVGO also bouncing. LRCX, MXL, UI, let's look at case. Yeah, let's see what else we have mentioned. MYRG in the building area. Not much health showing up or retail. Um, Steel for CSTM, gold oil and gas ECO, LPG oil and gas. I think the gold and silver might be pulling back today. Let's take a quick look. It's actually holding tight on the price. This is gold and silver also holding tight. The two stocks that I've been watching is AUGO. This one's near new high, this new high actually. This two has been out from performer. SSR today has a huge reversal. So making new high, but then it pulled back really strong right now. So those are the two stocks I've been watching. Financial, I didn't see anything pop up, but yesterday there was some. Um, so so yeah, so like I said, today is a digestion day, which is not necessarily a bad thing. If you can find an entry point for some of these strong stocks, that'll be good. But at this moment, a lot of them are extended. So so we'll see. Yeah, thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Bye now.